Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to download older version of VLC media player. Open your favorite browser. Go to the following URL. You can find many older version of the VLC media player. Click on the version you want to download. Now select the operating system. Now select the file type. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, click on the arrow next to the file and select Show in Folder. Double-click on the file to continue with the installation. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. That's it. VLC media player is installed on your device. This is how you can download and install older version of VLC media player on your PC. Thank you for watching.